Get off to the side here.
Somebody trying to kill
Get
me.
on the street.
Somebody trying to kill me.
Hey, stop right there.
Yeah.
Get up against the wall.
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to.
Get up against the wall.
Please, sir, I didn't mean to.
Get up against the wall.
I didn't
Get
mean
up against the wall real quick.
Please.
Okay,
Please,
hold on a
God.
second.
Please,
Hold
sir,
on a
I didn't
second.
mean to, sir, please.
Hold on,
Please.
okay?
I'm sorry.
Mary 156, show me Code 6 on a TC not involved.
Please.
We're gonna be Venice, west of Lincoln.
Oh my
One
God.
possible DUI driver. I get additional units, please.
The car.
Okay, what happened?
I lost my key.
You lost your key?
Yes. I came and I had somebody fix my car for me, sir. Please, don't, please,
Okay,
sir.
do me a favor,
My-
sit in
please.
here. Hey,
Sir, please.
sit down on your butt and sit with your legs crossed. Sit
Somebody
with your
gonna
legs
try to kill
crossed.
me, sir.
Sit with your legs
Please.
crossed.
They're gonna try to kill me, please.
Who's trying to kill you?
I had a stunt today.
What?
I had a stunt today, sir.
You
I
had
need to.
you had what?
A stunt. Like, no, that's a car.
Okay, what car were you driving?
BMW.
The BMW.
They're gonna try to put stuff in my car.
Who's trying to put stuff in your car?
They're gonna try to.
Stay down for me. Hey,
Please.
hey, stay
Please.
here. Stay here.
Sir, I need
Stay
some water.
here.
Can you get some water? Please.
Stay here. I'll get you some water here in a second, okay?
Please.
Just have a seat up against the wall there,
Yes, sir.
okay? Have a seat against the wall.
Sir.
Have a seat against the wall here.
Everybody gotta see me, sir.
Have a seat
I don't want
against
to
the
be in the
wall
black.
over here.
I want people to see me.
Sure. Okay, you can sit
Please,
right there
sir.
then. If you want to be seen,
I don't
sit
wanna
right
sit
there.
No, I don't want to sit right there.
Sit right
Please.
there if you want to have somebody see you.
Please.
Okay?
Please.
Just sit down for me a second here, okay?
Please, look, sir.
Sit down for me. Sit down.
You're putting a thing on me.
Sit down.
Making
I'm
me
not
hot.
putting anything. Come here.
Please.
Sit down over here.
Please.
I don't want you in the road.
Please.
Come here. I don't want you in the road. Come here.
Please.
Come here.
Please.
Come here.
Please. Please.
Come here. Now! Get down over there!
Yes, sir.
Turn over on your stomach right now!
Yes.
Turn over on your stomach right now! Turn over!
Yes.
Turn over!
Yes, sir.
Over on your stomach! Get over on your stomach!
Hold on. Okay, okay. Please. Please,
Get
sir.
down.
Please don't do this. Please don't do this, sir. Please. Help me, please.
You know what?
Help me,
Let my
please.
hands up.
No, please help me. They will kill me, please. Please, 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 please.
Keenan, relax! Keenan, relax!
Help! They're trying to kill me. Let them
Hey, stop! I'm gonna tase you! Turn over or I'm gonna tase you! Turn over or I'm gonna tase you!
Yes. I can't.
Watch your elbow, partner.
You're trying to do it for me. You're trying to do it
Stop
for
it.
me.
Stop it or I'm gonna tase you. Okay, stop it or I'm gonna tase you. Stop it or I'm gonna tase you. Stop resisting.
Please.
Stop resisting.
Please. Please. Please.
I'm gonna tase him. I'm gonna tase him.
They're trying to kill me. They're trying to kill me. Leave me alone.
Stop it. Stop it. Stop it.
Yes, sir.
Don't resist.
No.
Stop
Okay.
resisting. Stop resisting.
Okay.
Stop it.
Help.
Stop
Help,
it.
please. Help.
Do not
I'm not
move.
resisting. I'm not resisting.
Do not move.
Okay.
If not, I'm gonna tase you again.
Okay.
I got one.
Help me. Okay.
Here, hold on. Stop it. Stop resisting. Stop resisting.
That guy right there, he caused that accident. He was trying to steal my car. Yeah, the police is doing the right job right now. Don't think that the police is abusing him. He was was trying to go away.
I think that guy's in a very paranoid state.
I'm an Uber driver and he was trying to steal my car when he hit the other cars right there.
Was he in the car?
Huh? Yeah, he was in the BM side.
That's a taser.
Yeah, they're using the taser, right?
Please.
Can you slam the side or not?
Huh?
Can you slam the side or not?
Yeah. I'll put you on your side, man.
Let me.
Sit up. Sit up. They said dated me. They said dated me. Sit up. Sit right there. Sit in up.
1425 working.
We'll assess him and start taking information, but we can't transport him. We gotta wait for him.
Put your hands, put your hands. You guys got here first?
I'm sorry.